Good day all, this is TJ the Park Bopper coming to you today, November 2nd, the first day of Christmas decorations at the Magic Kingdom. Last night was the very last Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party, and today they have the Christmas decorations up. So we're going to take a look at the park. We're going to have a nice day, plan on riding the Carousel of Progress, maybe the Haunted Mansion, and just see what kind of sights, sounds, and merchandise we can get into today. If this sounds like something that you're interested in, please join me. All right, you can see they've got all the garland up and bows, poinsettias, bells. The sights and sounds are coming along here. We're just missing the Christmas tree. It'll be along soon. And there she is, Cinderella's castle. All right. Beautiful, beautiful day here in the mid-60s. All right, guys, so stepped into the Emporium here to see if there's any Christmas merchandise. You can still see some Halloween items here. Again, you've got the huge intellectual property of Nightmare Before Christmas that they're going to take advantage of. And here we go. Here's some of our first merchandise. Nice little countdown calendar. Yeah. Again, we've got that Alice in Wonderland sweater. Some holiday ears. Peter Pan. Wow. Picture frames. How cute would that would be for your grandparents, great-grandparents. Insert a photo there. Nice little cardigan here with Minnie. Your Minnie ears. Got the rhinestones on there. Crystals. And then we got the Mickey ears right here.
Oh my goodness.
A little long sleeve button up here. And understated onesies. Aww. My first Christmas. How cute is that? Got Eeyore in his Christmas outfit. Minnie and Mickey and their Santa Claus or Santa Mickey outfits there. And of course my favorite, Stitch. Love that. Really cute. Chip and Dale. Little dress here. With the booties and all. $34. Not too bad. Now that's cool. Mickey sweater. Knit. More Mickey ears. Here's a little votive. Ceramic votive. Oh, that would be pretty. Cast the light of the castle into your home. Price of that is $29.99. Little hot chocolate mug with a little scene there. Saucer. Alice in Wonderland and Stitch. Nice. Now we got a Santa Mickey hat. Cap there. Now that is cool. I like that. That would be my favorite thing here so far. Alright. Some snowman Mickey ears. There's a spirit jersey. Some holiday themed cotton candy. There's a snow globe up there. Let's see. Cool. $39.99. Awesome. Delivering the magic. Daisy and Minnie. Pretty glitter sweater. My daughter might like that one. Some more Christmas ears. Got the ornament theme going on. Little gold. Wow. It just kind of pulls together really nice. $39.99. Okay. Poster sheep t-shirt there and this kind of retro block style shirt, $39.99 on the most magical time of the year. Santa Mickey cap, Christmas hoodie featuring the genie and other assorted characters. Nice. And then we got this toboggan here, or beanie, $19.99. That's really nice. It's probably my second favorite piece thus far. We got some bubble wands, of course. Couldn't be Disney without bubble wands. Some Christmas light necklaces. And some clocks. And some little presents. Got a nice little button up, kind of a chino style button up. Oh yeah, I like that. And a full print. This would be cool as a spirit jersey too. I like this print a lot. It's very Blair-esque, if you will. But yeah, it's a really cool shirt. Like that. It's probably my third favorite of this new collection, or this Christmas collection. I have this 1976 style logo T-shirt here, done up in the holiday theme. I actually really like this. This would probably be up here too. Really cool shirt. Alright, wanted to pop over and see the Christmas themed Munchlings. Again, the Munchlings are Disney's version of Squishimals. Kind of more adorned and not as simplistic. Yeah. You can see Baymax here in the kind of fruit plate hat, I guess, or a nice little festive holiday hat. Latza, kind of like an ice cream or a cupcake cup there, in ceramics. Ornaments named after the Munchlings themselves. Candy Kings, chocolate bars. There's a Baymax hot chocolate kit or s'mores kit. Screen printed t-shirts. Some of these are not holiday things, but you do have a few like Stitch there. And what I'd love to get for my daughter is this extra large Stitch stuffy. She loves Stitch. It's $70. I have to wait until I can get some discount on that, but really cool. Stepping over into the Crystal Arch to see if we can see some nice ornaments here. Kind of gets me walking over to the Crystal Arch. It's like you're in the shadow of Starbucks. You get that coffee smell. I do see some ornaments over here I'm excited to look at. You see these blown glass ornaments are just gorgeous. Ornament tree. That is something. These little mini ornament trees. There's a pumpkin. That's nice. Seen some viral glass blowing with those South Hudsons here recently. You can see the kiln here where they're going to be doing some ornaments. Another demonstration at noon. Big calendar. Wow. How pretty is that? Full of those little charms. That's just really something. A little carousel. Some more clear glass ornaments. A mini ornament tree. Oh, with Disney princesses. There's some general snowflakes and some other general Disney characters. These are so fragile. Some LED lit ornaments here. Oh, I love Bambi. So beautiful. the artisan here as he's making glass ornaments. Working hard. Neat process to watch. Heating up the glass, manipulating it slowly. Awesome. Love the beautiful holiday wreaths they have up. And we've got those polished colors there. 3 different bows, pine cones, and pineapple. It's cool. We're here to Casey's, which got a very beautiful treatment of garland with white poinsettias. See if they've got the headbox ghost up. Standby time for haunted mansion is 40 minutes.
Serpents and spiders, tail of a rat, call in the spirits, wherever they're at, rap on a table. It's time to respond. Send us a...
Hey guys, so just got off Haunted Mansion, and I have to say it was a really, really good ride this time. And really love all the refurbishment that they've done to it, the effects that have been spruced up, the lighting in the music room with the seance, the lighting in the graveyard, the steps that now glow in the staircase scene that have before, but they've been kind of intermittent. So everything looked great. The only thing I didn't see this time that I was looking forward to was the Hatbox Ghost, but I'm sure he's going to be premiering. Mickey's PhilharMagic. One of my favorite things to do here. Got a great vantage point here for Mickey's PhilharMagic. Well guys, I'm sitting here in the shadow of the castle. Had to take a water break. Went down to the Rapunzel bathroom and filled up my water bottle here. A good tip for that is to bring some fruit to put in your bottle, give it a decent flavor. Disney doesn't have the best water from the water fountain. You can get filtered water from the concession stands, but the water from the water fountain isn't the best, so the fruit will really help that make it tolerable. Also brought some popcorn just to munch on. So again, a low-cost Disney day. That's how I'm doing it. Stuff, we're going to see how the carousel progress is doing.
Now all our household items will do anything we tell them to do.
Great. Tell the refrigerator to bring me a root beer.
You can't quite do that. But I'll show you something.
Alright guys, so we just got off carousel progress. Everything looked great on the ride. Looks like they fixed Grandpa's hand in the last shot. Good to know he had an incident where his hand the hand fell off the animatronic earlier this week, so they got that squared away. Everything looked good, sounded good. As you can see, crowds look kind of average today here in Tomorrowland. Love the people mover. Take one more good look at the castle as people line up for the parade. Guys, we've had an absolutely great day here at Magic Kingdom. Once again, if you love what I do, please jive, like, and subscribe. I am TJ the Park Bopper. Also check out my other channel, Chronically PWS, where I talk about my life living with Prader-Willi syndrome. And check out all my adventures on Instagram under Chronically PWS. Make sure you like and subscribe to this channel though. I'd really appreciate it. The mission of this channel is to share my experiences about travel and adventures. And the Chronically PWS channel is to kind of spread awareness of Prader-Willi syndrome. So again, thank you so much for watching.